This image has been generated with the regular Flux Dev model, and this is the version that's been generated with the new Realism LoRA. So if you want to see how you get to this result, I'm going to go through the basic steps with you right now. Okay, so we're on replicate.com, which is the platform I personally use to run Flux. And if you want a beginner's tutorial about how to get set up in this, then check the link in the description or the pop-up card. But presumably you've watched that and you're now up to speed with how to get set up. I'm going to go to the search bar at the top. I'm going to just type in Flux, and it's going to come up with all the options of Flux. Now, at the time that I recorded my beginner's tutorial, there was only the top three, which are the 3 official models for Flux by Black Forest Labs, who are the original company behind Flux. So now, because it's open source, there's now loads of other LoRAs and add-ons available. Now, I'll put an image up on the screen to explain what a LoRA is, worded probably better than I can. But think of it as like an expansion pack that gives it capability outside of its main training set. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look for the Realism LoRA, which is here. XLabs AI Flux Dev Realism LoRA. Now, if you click on that, it's going to bring you up with the screen. It's very similar to what the screen looks like for the normal Flux model, the same similar parameters. And this one's just got a default prompt example typed in and the result. So you can see for yourself. Most of the other settings are similar. You don't have to do anything different with your prompt in order to give it this sort of more realistic look. It's just kind of baked into this LoRA. So what I'm going to do now, instead of making you watch me type in prompts and parameters, I'm just going to bring up a slideshow on the screen with a sort of comparative look of the same prompt across both models, the original on the left-hand side and the Realism LoRA on the right-hand side, just so you can see for yourself how it interpreted a few different prompt styles. So enjoy that and let's get to it.